15 years ago, Fresh Company constructed a factory of water heaters spreading over 24,000 square meters, including 450 workers and 23 engineers and administrative officers. The factory produces electric water heaters with capacity ranges between 10 liters and 160 liters. In addition to the instant water heater, we manufacture the solar water heater in two capacities, 20 liters and 300 liters. We manufacture 11 different shapes of water heater. Each one has its variable capacity in liters. The production volume reached 1 million units yearly. In manufacturing phases, we depend on 64 specifications as a reference in water heater production. European specifications for water heaters production are the most important references we follow in our factory. Fresh Water Heater Factory holds 15 international certificates, so we export 500,000 units of our production to 64 customers in 28 countries all over the continents, and Korea and Latin America, which promotes our production to the top of the exports list across the Egyptian companies. Our exports to a leading company in home appliance and electrical appliance, such as Korea, may be an attestation for our product's privilege. In local market, fresh water heater of all different types is the top selling, meeting the tests and needs of customers. The engineers at Fresh Water Heater Factory have received variable training courses at many countries, such as Japan and China, and European countries, such as Spain and Italy, including training courses of quality and production lines receipts and training in all production phases. The factory consists of different sectors: sheet metal cutting line, compressors of water heater inner layers and parts, welding line, line of inner tank enamel paint, which prevents rust and maintains the water inside the heater clean, line of outer body epoxy paint, assembling lines, foam injection machines. During work at these sectors, the product undergoes several tests. We choose the tank welds, the enamel coat, and the tank thickness, in addition to standardized tests, according to the standards and specifications. And at the end of the assembling line, the entire electric circuit is tested. Our factory consists of imports quality lab for testing the quality of the inner and outer parts of the water heater, and complete product testing lab, where the product undergoes two tests: measurements test and regular operating test. During the measurement test, the water heater is operated to the maximum loading capacity to test the measurements and welds. During the regular operating test, we monitor the performance of water heaters on a long term to ensure the efficiency and quality of water heaters. Fresh water heater, made in Egypt, by international specifications and competitive prices. Fresh products, we are trustworthy.